We finally know what caused the fire that swept through Grenfell Tower in West London: a faulty fridge. The fridge manufacturer, Hotpoint, hadn't recalled that model prior to the fire, but it's now asking customers to check their model numbers and contact the company. Police are still trying to determine how the June 14th blaze spread so quickly. So far, samples of cladding and insulation collected from the building have failed safety tests. Authorities are conducting similar safety tests on 600 buildings across the UK to determine if the same combustible cladding was used in their construction. As of Friday morning, they found it in 11 residential buildings. At least 79 people died or are presumed dead as a result of the Grenfell Tower blaze. Police are considering criminal charges, including manslaughter.